So, yeah, we're gonna be playing this today. Very laggy. Don't know why.
Take a look around you.
But
Where are you
we're
going?
doing that. And we're gonna try not dying a lot lately, cause I have been dying a lot. I'm not gonna lie.
Where are you
See,
going?
I can't even get up on here. There it goes. Alright. Let's see if we can get our first kill.
Take a look around you.
Here you go. See, I can't even press the jump button right on time. Cause I'm lagging. I'm a little laggy. But yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna do a lot of editing too after this.
Where are you going?
There you go. First kill? Yes. First kill. Okay. We're gonna try to breaking people's ankles and stuff. So
Where are you going?
here you go. And you dead. Okay.
I got this.
And yeah, we're gonna be doing it like that. Oh my god.
Where are you going?
Oh, okay. And what do wait? I'm on mobile, so it's kind of hard. I usually play on PlayStation. I mean, not PlayStation.
Where are you going?
It just like taking me. I skipped that. There we go. I got y'all. Boom.
Take a look around you.
Where did she even get the bomb from? I don't think I killed her. Yep. Ankles.
Where are you going?
There we go. Okay. Just to start.
Take a look around.
Hold on, I think I know why.
I got this. Where are you going? I got this. Kaboom.
My graphics is good, right?
Take a look around you.
Ankles, what? You didn't get me?
Where are you going?
Why me? Okay, that's like my second time dying. I need to lock in. See? I can't lock in. See? I'm jumping. It's my lag.
Where are you going?
It's my... Yeah, see, I won't be able to play like this, bro. I'm getting absolutely cooked right now. I can't play like I used to. I don't know why. I need to stay up top. I can't die at all.
Take a look around you. Where are you going?
Ankles. Like that. Yep. They're probably going for me because they know I'm lagging.
Take a look around you. Where are you going?
Yo.
I got this.
Yep. Give me that bomb. No way. Okay, there we go. Just 2 seconds away. Take that back. Some ankles.
Take a look around you.
My bird. Hey, Bacon, you having a hard time. I think I should take care of your ankles for you.
Where are you going?
Like I said.
Take a look around you.
It gonna take a while for me to edit, so I might right there.
Take a look around.
Oh, she got him.
I got it.
Hey, Goose. And I was standing.
Take a look around you. Mom. I got this.
Like,
I got this.
got him. He was AFK, so that really don't count.
Take a look around.
Everybody just on the.
I got this.
Where are you going?
Take a look around you.
People say I'm on mobile PC, but now I'm really not. Like, wait, did I say mobile PC? I am.
Take a look around you.
I'm slow.
I'm very angry.
Okay.
Where are you
Bacon
going?
duo.
Take a look around. Boom.
Okay. Somebody get that. 'Cause I'm not getting it. I'm laggy. Just like my graphics.
Where
It's
are
like,
you going?
Take a look around you. I got this. Take a look around you.
nobody not chasing me, bro. It's not fun.
Take a look around you.
Where are you going?
Take a look around you.
Did I not get him? Wait, yeah. Did I not get him?
I got
Yo.
Take a
Oh,
look
I
around
got
you.
him. Wait.
I'm very
Where's the bomb?
Where are you going?
Am I lagging?
Kaboom. Take a look around you.
I'm very angry. Where are you going?
I got this.
What is that reach? What was that reach, y'all? Y'all saw that, right?
I got. I.
Where are you going?
Yeah. What? Yo, what the heck is that reach? Man? Did I just do a flip?
Take a look around.
I was like standing right here, and he was like right there.
Take a look around.
What is these reaches, right? Like, it's not fair, bro. This is not fair. Okay.
Take a look around you.
What?
Very angry.
You doing that because I'm
Where are you
lagging.
going?
They know that. See? Oh my god. Alright, hold on. Let me do some adjustments real quick. Alright, after doing some adjustments,
I got this.
let's see if my thing will work. My game.
Where are you going?
And move around a little bit.
I got this.
Okay.
Take a look around you.
Okay.
I got this.
Where are you going?
They can do off?
Take a look around you.
What
I
the?
got this.
What the? Where is this pose?
Take a look around you.
Give me that.
I got
Take that back.
Where are you going?
Take
Let
a
me see
look
if I
around
can.
you.
Okay, I can still do it. No, I can't not do it.
I got this.
Bacon.
Take a look around you.
Bacon, get your ankles broken. Bacon is having a hard time.
I got this.
I'm absolutely getting
Take a look around.
cooked. And was that not a pass right there? Or no? At this point, I'm just gonna like just quit now. Like, cause at this point, I'm just getting absolutely cooked. Like, I haven't got at least like.
Where are you going?
What is that?
Kaboom.